from San Antonio, Mexico, also known as the Springman, number 3, Clinton James Gaglia. As part of number 16, the Iron Prince, Jake Munoz. Is an agile city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Tune Ayasahan, number 9, Miko Santos. From Concepcion, Lubao, one of the league's premier passers. Number 8, Jasper Manala. Get ready for Cecil is also one of the top playmakers in the assist column. The Supremo General from Barangay Asyadores, number 10, Jemar Rafael. Nothing gets past the ultimate rim protector, leading this conference in blocks and one of the top rebounders from Santa Cruz,